we are changing things up. Instead of it just being a planner channel, I am going to start including some hauls, maybe day in the life, shopping videos. So we're gonna mix it up a little bit and see how things go. And first I wanted to start out by talking about this dress that I'm wearing. I did buy it from Walmart, and just to backtrack a little bit, I was at Virginia Beach for a week with my sons and did some shopping there. And this dress was one of the dresses that I had received. This was in like the junior section. I believe this is like a size 19, which is I think the 3XL or the 2XL. Anyway, so I had gotten it at at Walmart, and I thought it was, I don't know, like $15.98 or whatever. But when I got to the register, it was only $10. So that was a good deal. And I will insert a picture of it for you guys to see. Second things that I got is at this one Walmart that we went to, it looked like a department store. It did not look like the typical Walmarts, at least in my area. And they had it set up where it literally was like a Reebok section, a free assembly section. And then they had like the men's sections and stuff. So all of the big name brands that they are carrying, even Sofia Vergara, they had like a section devoted to her. It was beautiful. And like at my Walmarts, you can't find that kind of stuff. If you do, sometimes it's like returns possibly from another store, and it's mixed in with like the clearance or mixed in on the racks, so that you really don't know, they don't have the full line. So anyway, I've always wanted like a white cotton button-down shirt, and they're kind of uncomfortable for me to wear, I'll be honest with you. But I just feel like they're so confining. But Free Assembly had this white shirt, and you probably can't really see it. But anyway, in the sleeves, I just really like the sleeves, the way that they did the sleeves. And this I got in, now an extra large and a large fit me, but I wanted it to be oversized so that I didn't feel so confined. So I got it in the 2XL, extra large, regular sizes. And it does have a pocket, it buttons down. And then I loved it so much that I went back and I picked up the blue striped, the blue shirt with the white stripes. And these are 100% cotton. And again, the sleeves are done the same way, where they have like this hem right here, and they have one single button. So, and the sleeves are pretty generous. I mean, my arms aren't that big, but the sleeves are pretty generous. And when I tried them on, they were so comfortable. So anyway, these were $26 each. So that's that. Then I went to Old Navy, and again, their Old Navy at Virginia Beach was so much nicer than our Old Navies. And the way they were clean, everything was in sections that you could understand. Like they had a business attire section, they had new stuff, they had even Halloween t-shirts and stuff, but that was separate from everything. So like when you walk into mine, you see a display of clothing, and then you see like racks of shirts, and then athletic wear, and in between the athletic wear, you can find dresses. It's a nightmare. So anyway, I thought this would be really pretty for work and for casual. It's a V-neck sweater. It's a ribbed sweater. And I picked this up in an extra large, and this was $19.99. And they had different colors. I believe they had a white one. They had black, which I regret now not picking up the black one. And they had, I'm trying to think, I think they had like a rust colored one. and maybe a navy blue. But anyway, I'm going to link everything down below in the description box so that you guys could see it. But see, it's kind of short, but it's not short. It's not like, I'm a short person. I'm 5 foot tall. So it hits me like just after my belly button. So it's a perfect size for if you like them just at your hips. So anyway, so I got that, and that was $19.99. That was at Old Navy. And then I went back to Walmart, and oh, these tops are so pretty. Again, they were in the junior section. I guess this dress was an XXL because it's a size 19. This shirt was 3X, but it's a size 21. It's in juniors. And these were $9.98. And look at this top. Here, let me show you. First of all, has the lace detail on the sleeve. And then do you see? It's really, really pretty. And it has the lace detail at the bottom right there. And it's a crew. You would probably, I mean, if you wear a black bra, let me show you. See, it is kind of see-through. If you wear a black bra, you're fine. I mean, I would wear this to work with just a bra. I don't feel like I would need a tank top underneath it. But, some people might want a tank top, and Old Navy or Walmart even. Walmart has those tank tops that I think are like $2 or $3. Anyway, you could wear a tank top with it, but it's such a pretty design. I think from the neck you can see the design in it. But anyway, so I got the black one, and again, it was $9.98. And then I could not leave the store without getting the white one. And look at how pretty this like elevates a pair of jeans. You could wear it with a skirt. You could even wear this with shorts and some cute little sandals, a little skirt. I mean, it's just adorable. And again, here's the bottom. The bottom is like the lace type or the lattice. No, not lattice, lettuce. But anyway, so here's the design in the shirt, and it's just such a cute top. So anyway, definitely with the white one, I would wear a tank top because it is a lot more see-through than that one is. So I got that. Let me see what else. Then I went to the Dollar Tree, and I could have gotten this around here, but I was afraid that maybe we would sell out. These little bottles, I put one in every single bathroom, and I fill them up with my cleaning product. And I love it because they're small. They don't take up a whole lot of space. $1.25. They come in like an aqua blue, a lime green, and this pink. And they're great. The pump works fantastic, and it sprays like a mist. And maybe a little bit heavier than a mist. But anyway, these are fantastic. So I bought 2 of those. I don't know where the other one is, but anyway, I got 2 of those. And that was $1.25. And then going back, I think the rest is from Walmart again. Going back to Walmart, I watch Emily Noel. She does makeup. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her. Anyway, Emily Noel is constantly talking about all different kinds of makeup. She usually goes towards drugstore makeups, but she uses high-end also. But she uses hard candy, and I never really looked at hard candy makeup before. But anyway, I picked up these 3 things, and I want to say they are eyeshadow eyeliners or markers. Eyeshadow markers. And I got one in this rose colored. It's like a rose gold. And then one in like a champagne color. And I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really read what the names are. And then this one is more of a rosy, like a not a burgundy color. But anyway, let me swatch them for you. I think these were like $6 or $7 each. And they are really, really smooth. Look at how pretty the pen is. Like, that's really nice. That's very nice. And then you raise it like that. So here's the first one. See that color? That is so pretty. It's like a mauve color. And I wish I could tell you what the name is, but I'll link them down below. Wait, this one is called, I think this one's called Pony, I think. I don't know, I'm sorry. I should have brought my glasses with me. But anyway, that's Pony. I know this one is called Bubbly. And this is the champagne colored one. Again, look at how pretty it is. A Bubbly, yeah. Oh, this one is Pony. It's right there in big letters, Pony. Okay, so then this one is the Bubbly. And this could act like a highlighter or for the inner corner. Look at how pretty that color is. I mean, they're really, really smooth. And I went to try to wipe them off, and they last for a pretty long time. Anyway, so that is the Bubbly. And then this one is called, it's called Cold Brew. Oh, hold on. So Cold Brew, and see, there's no guessing what that name is. Cold Brew is more of the chocolate color. And look at that, it's right there. Isn't that pretty? So anyway, I bought those to kind of like do under my eyes and then maybe even go up as kind of like a liner. So I got those, and those I said, I'm pretty certain that these were like $7. Oh, then, hold on a minute. I want to wipe this off, because the next thing I'm going to touch is white. But I'll do this first. Let me see if I can. So then every year, Walmart brings these sweatshirts back, and I love them. I wear them all the time. And I've gone through the coral colored one. I've gone through I think I still have the, oh gosh, what is it? It's, there's a green one. And then I had a mustard colored one. I wanted them for the fall. Mustard colored one, and then a camouflage one. I think I still have the camouflage one, but the coral and the yellow were, I wore them till I couldn't wear them anymore. So this year I decided to pick up the purple, and the bottom of these have the slit and they're squared off, and they have these kinds of sleeves, and they're thin, and they've got like the interior is like this. And I got this in an XL, and it fits me not loosely. So I got this in an XL. I've been losing weight because I just recently was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. So in the past, I think 3 or 4 months, I've lost almost 30 pounds. Prior to that, I had lost 10 pounds. So in the past, I was wearing a 2XL in this, and now, it was 2XL. Now I've got the extra large. I could have probably gone for the large, but as I said, I like them baggy. And like, look at this. I love it. And this color is so pretty. So anyway, I got that. And these are, let me see. Hold on a minute. Oh, do they not have their price? This fits like a 16-18. I think these sweatshirts were like $10. I think 10 bucks. I don't see the price in here. Again, I will link it below so that you have everything, all of the information. Yeah, I don't have the receipt in here. And then my final purchase was this adorable jacket. It was in the free assembly section. And I need new jackets. Like the small jackets that I had before, I got rid of because I thought I'll never fit into them. So unfortunately, I got rid of all of them. And so this jacket, I saw it and I thought, oh, it's so cute. I mean, it makes you feel like you're a stuffed teddy bear, but it's the cutest thing. And again, it's from Free Assembly, and it has sleeves like this, and it has, okay, and then the collar. And let me show you. I hope I can back up enough to show you the pockets. If not, then I'll insert a picture for you. Let me back up enough. So here we go. The pockets are like here, which I thought was so cute and so comfortable. You can put the collar up and zip it all the way up, or you can, you know, lay it down flat. And it comes to just above, again, I'm 5 feet, so it comes just above my, or just at my hips, just at my hips. But these pockets, I thought, oh, how convenient to put like your phone in here and your keys in here, or maybe a small wallet, a thin wallet, and you don't have to carry a purse or anything like that. And it's actually so warm, it's soft, it's comfortable, and so it looks like it's a leather detailing, but it's not. And I thought, even with a crossbody bag, this color, like a camel color, would be so cute with it. But I just loved it. As soon as I saw it, I loved it. And I thought, oh, I've got to have this. And it does come in blue with a darker blue trim. And online, I think the online has a burgundy one with a darker trim. So, but I thought the white would be really cute for the winter time and for the fall, you know, around Halloween and Thanksgiving. So anyway, that was my haul. I don't think I bought anything else. I did enough damage with these products. But, you know, I can't find this stuff around me. So I thought I'd take a chance and get this stuff, treat myself, especially now that I'm losing weight. There's things that aren't fitting me, which is woo, a good thing. And I need new clothes, but I'm trying to do it slowly, so that way, you know, I'm not buying clothes and then losing weight. Like this dress could probably, even if I lost another 20 pounds, actually it would probably look even better if I lost another 20 pounds. So anyway, it's all about taking care of yourself, taking care of your health, and giving yourself some self-love, some attention. Spoil yourself every once in a while, because most of us don't do that very often. And I want to thank you so much for watching this, and please, please, please help my channel out by subscribing, liking, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Let's be nice. This is a nice community. And so hopefully we can, you know, I'll bring you more videos as time goes on. I do work full time, so this is like a part-time thing for me, but I'll try to bring on more videos. And I might even do, you know, like I just turned 60 in June, so I might do like makeup for 60-year-olds. Trust me, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't, like, this is it. But, you know, I'd like to play with my makeup and stuff like that. So maybe I'll do something like that. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see. And again, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.